The world tells us to chase success, get ahead, win, be noticed. But what if the greatest achievement in life isn't becoming successful? What if it's becoming someone God can trust?
Welcome to the Hope Workshop, where we rebuild lives through timeless biblical wisdom.
We admire successful people, but deep down, we trust people of character. Success can earn applause. Character earns respect. Character isn't built when life is easy. It's revealed when doing the right thing becomes difficult. In a world that rewards shortcuts, integrity can sometimes feel expensive. Choosing honesty may cost you an opportunity. Choosing kindness may go unnoticed. Choosing faithfulness may not bring immediate rewards. But Scripture reminds us that what God is building inside us will always matter more than what the world applauds around us. Few people demonstrate that better than Daniel. Daniel was taken captive into Babylon as a young man. Everything familiar had been taken from him: his home, his culture, his language. Even his name was changed. He suddenly found himself living in a place where almost everything around him encouraged compromise. He could have chosen to lower his standards, blend in, and become like everyone else. After all, it would have been easier. Instead, Daniel quietly remained faithful, consistently day after day, year after year. Then one day, when a law made it illegal to pray to God, Daniel continued praying exactly as he always had. He refused to abandon the values that had guided his life for so many years. That decision led him to the lion's den, but even there, God remained with him. And in the end, Daniel's faithfulness spoke louder than any compromise ever could. God honored Daniel's integrity, not because Daniel chased success, but because he chose faithfulness before recognition. The world often asks, "How far can I go?" God asks, "Who are you becoming?" Those are two very different questions. Success can come and go, but character travels with you into every season of life. It shapes the decisions you make, the relationships you build, the legacy you leave behind. Perhaps that's why God spends so much time shaping our hearts before expanding our influence. After all, influence without character can easily become destructive, but when character comes first, success becomes something we can steward with wisdom and humility. If you want to build strong character, here are 3 habits you can begin practicing this week. First, do the right thing when no one is watching. Integrity isn't measured in public moments. It's built through private choices. The small decisions you make today often become the foundation of the person you'll become tomorrow. Second, stay faithful in the small things. Character rarely develops through one extraordinary moment. More often, it grows through ordinary acts of faithfulness, being dependable, keeping your word, treating people with kindness, honoring God even when no one notices. Those seemingly small choices matter more than we often realize. Third, ask yourself one question before every major decision. Will this help me become the person God is calling me to be? That question shifts the focus away from convenience and toward purpose. Sometimes the easiest choice isn't the right one, but the right choice is often the one that strengthens your character the most. From this day onwards, choose one situation where doing the right thing may cost you something. Then choose integrity anyway. Character grows every time. Faithfulness becomes more important than convenience. Keep in mind, the world may reward success, but God is shaping something even greater, your character. Before we end today's episode, I'd love to hear from you. Has there ever been a time when choosing integrity came at a personal cost? Looking back, would you make the same decision again? And if you've discovered a habit that's helped you stay true to your values, share it in the comments below. Your story might become someone else's hope.
Thank you for spending a few moments with us here at the Hope Workshop. If today's message encouraged you, consider subscribing for more life-changing lessons inspired by timeless biblical wisdom. Until next time, keep building, keep believing, and keep moving forward.